Arduino complete course from basic to advanced level. What is Arduino? Before we look at the definition of Arduino, let's have some solid background of Arduino. The Arduino project began in 2005 as a tool for students at the Interaction Design Institute, Evra, Italy, aiming to provide a low-cost and easy way for novice and professionals to create devices that interact with their environment using one, sensors, and two, actuators. The founder of Arduino, named Massimo Benzi, is an interaction designer, educator, and an open source hardware pioneer. He's also a TED speaker. His background is in electrical engineering, but he spent most of his early careers working as a software architect before spending 4 years at the Interaction Design Institute Evra as an associate professor. What then is Arduino? Arduino is an open hardware development board that can be used by tinkerers, hobbyists, and makers to design and build devices that interact with the real world. Arduino is also an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Also, Arduino is an open source platform used for building electronics projects. Arduino consists of both a physical programmable circuit board, often referred to as a microcontroller, which we'll be looking at subsequent courses, and a piece of software or an IDE, also known as Integrated Development Environment, that runs on your computer, used to write and upload computer codes to the physical board. Additionally, the Arduino IDE uses a simplified version of C++ programming language, making it easier to learn and to program. Share and subscribe to this video's channel for more so that you keep me motivated to do more of this. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you.